An engineer Azamat. Welcome back to my channel. So today I will solve down a tricky mathematical question. So this is a conceptual mathematical question. So this has been repeated in many competitive exams, as well as it has been repeated in entrance exams. So you should write down this on your notebook. Okay, so let's get started. For example, this is a tricky question, so we have to keep in mind. First of all, we will count the numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the base number is also 5. So the total numbers are 5. Okay. So this is a trick. Okay, you should write this on your notebooks. Then the base number, this is also 5. Okay, the total numbers are 5, the base number is same, okay, in all digits, so it's 5, and the power of this number is 58. Okay, it is same on all 5 base. Okay, so if you will encounter this type of questions, just you have to solve down in 1 second. Okay, the bases are same, the bases are 5, and the powers are same on all on 5. Okay, in all 5 the power is also same. So here we could use a trick. The trick is, for example, 5 is our base, then we will add plus 1 only. Okay, this equals to 59. If you will solve on this on your calculator, you will get the exact answer. Okay, you will get not exactly this answer, you will get let's say some other answer. So wait, I will solve down this 5, then its power is 59, then you will get 1.7347, then multiplied by 10 to raise 41. You will get this on your calculator. Okay, if you will also solve down this. Okay, and then you will get the exact answer on your calculator. So this is a trick, you should follow this trick and get well marks in examination. Okay, thank you so much, viewers. Please tap on the subscribe button.